प्यारे बच्चों, वेलकम टू माय चैनल मैथ्स मेड इजी बाय शक्ति चटर्जी। टुडे आई विल डिस्कस अबाउट AP, arithmetic progressions. See, the question is here: the ratio of the 11th term to the 18th term of an AP is 2:3. Find the ratio of the 5th term to the 21st term and also the ratio of the first 5 terms to the sum of the first 21 terms. इसका मतलब है कि 11 टर्म का साथ 18 टर्म का अनुपात होगा 2:3। उसी समय आपको निकालना है 5th टर्म और 21st टर्म का क्या अनुपात होगा, और इसके बाद पहला 5 AP का जो यानी सम और उसी पहला 21 टर्म्स का सम का रेशियो कितना होगा। तो पहले आप शुरू कर रहे हैं सॉल्यूशंस। लेट फर्स्ट टर्म इक्वल टू A, कॉमन डिफरेंस CD इक्वल टू D, देयरफॉर सेकेंड टर्म equal to A plus B, like that the 11th term, like that, therefore 11th term equal to A plus 10D. Clear? In the same time 18th term equal to A plus 17D. Now you see, according to the conditions, 11th term T11 by T18 equal to 2:3. Now T11 is A plus 10D, A plus 10D by A plus 17D equal to 2:3. Now you see 3A plus 30D equal to 2A plus 34D. Clear? Now therefore just transferring A to A and D to D, then I will get A equal to 4D. Now this is one equations. Here नेक्स्ट क्या दिया हुआ है, 5th टर्म टू द 21st टर्म। तो आप जानते हैं 5th टर्म इक्वल टू A plus 4D एंड 21st टर्म इक्वल टू A plus 20D, 21st term equal to A plus 20D equal to A plus 20D. Now I can write in such a way where you can easily understand. See, A plus 4D by A plus 20D. तो इसको हम लिख सकते हैं like this: A plus A, because 4D equal to A. Instead of 4D, I can write A, and here I can write A plus 5 in bracket 4D. Clear? Then what I will get? See, here is 2A by it is A. So आप यहाँ लिख लीजिए 2A divided by A plus 20A. 40 मतलब A plus 5A. Clear? See, 4D equal to A. So A into 5A, 2A plus 5A, therefore 2A by 6A, that is 1:3. Clear? This is another. This is also one answer. According to question, According to the question, your answer is this. And now, sum of first 5 terms is n equal to Sn equal to n by 2 plus 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now you said n equal to how much? 5 by 2. Because first 5 times 5 by 2 and 2a equal to, you can have to write that 2a, n is 5 minus 1 is 4d. Try to understand. So आप लिखिए S5 by S21. See, यहाँ क्या हो जाएगा आप देखने की कोशिश कीजिए. n इक्वल टू 5 माइनस 1 4d. Clear? 4d equal to a. Try to understand. So you write here 5 by 2 and 2a plus 4d. I have already explained here how it is 4d. See, n minus 1, n is 5, 5 minus 1 is 4, 4d, and because 4d equal to a, I can change it. So now like this 21 same 21 by 2, and this is 2a plus 20, n minus 1 is 20d. That is 20d. Clear? So now what I am getting, see here 5 by 2, 5 by this is 2 plus a, 3a. 5 by 2 into, this is 4d equal to a. See here 4a equal to 4d, I can place it. And now it is 21 by 2 equal to how much? 2a plus 4 into 5 into 4d, 5a, that is 7a. Try to understand. This is 20d. 20d I can write 20d equal to 5 into 4d, and that is 4d equal to a, 5a. 5a plus 2a equal to 7a. Simply 7a. Now you see a cancel, 2 cancel, and this 21 and this is 3. This is 3. 3 by 21 is 7. So how much it is? 5 by 49. And this is your answer. तो आप लिख लीजिए आंसर में क्या होगा. आंसर में आप लिख लीजिए फाइंड रेशियो ऑफ 5th टर्म टू 21st टर्म. 5th term is to 21st term equal to 1:3, and sum 5th term, not 5th term, 5th term is to 21 term equal to 5:49, and this is the answer. प्यारे बच्चों, आपने देखे how I break it one by one according to question. If you like this video, please share to your friends, put some comment. Those who have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. Thank you very much for watching this video.